Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Sayabrina Putri with NPM 2341183 from Management Class 23A. I will share content about the understanding ethics and culture which is definitely useful. No need for further details, let's get started. Understanding ethics and culture. Ethics can be defined as a collection of moral principles that govern the behavior of individuals or groups. In an organizational context, ethics includes the values and norms that determine what is considered right or wrong in workplace interactions. Ethics serves as a guide to decision-making, helping individuals and organizations to act with integrity. Culture, on the other hand, is the collection of values, beliefs, norms, and practices held by a group or organization. Culture reflects the way of life of a community and influences how members of that community interact with each other and with the external environment. In the corporate context, organizational culture includes aspects such as internal communication, attitudes towards innovation, and how to handle conflict. The relationship between ethics and culture. Ethics and culture have a close relationship in the organizational context. An organization's culture often forms the basis for the ethics held by its members. For example, if a company has a culture that emphasizes transparency and accountability, then the ethics that develop within it tend to support honest and open behavior. Conversely, ethics can also influence organizational culture. When a company sets high ethical standards and applies them consistently, this can create a positive culture where employees feel valued and motivated to behave in accordance with these values. In other words, ethics can be a driver of cultural change in an organization. Examples of rules and regulations in manufacturing companies. In manufacturing companies, rules and regulations usually cover various aspects of work safety and operational efficiency. Examples of these regulations include 1. Work safety. Employees are required to use personal protective equipment, PPE, such as helmets, masks and safety shoes when in the production area. 2. Time discipline. Employees must arrive on time according to the specified working hours to maintain productivity. 3. Use of tools. Employees are not permitted to use machines or equipment without adequate training. 4. Waste disposal. Waste must be disposed of according to procedures to prevent environmental pollution. Examples of banking rules and regulations. In the banking sector, regulations focus more on compliance with regulations and customer service. Examples of bank regulations include 1. Confidentiality of customer data. Employees are obliged to maintain the confidentiality of customer information in accordance with personal data protection laws. 2. Customer service. Employees must provide the best service to customers with a friendly and professional attitude. 3. Compliance with regulations. All employees must understand and comply with national and international banking regulations. 4. Anti-money laundering. AML employees must be trained to recognize signs of suspicious activity that may be related to money laundering. Thus, both ethics and culture play an important role in establishing order in various types of companies including manufacturing and banking. That's all I can say, sorry if there are any shortcomings, I apologize. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.